Hello everybody, the sun is shining. It is Monday. Everybody, it's time to get back onto your grind. I am not doing yoga this morning because the usual class that I do take is not available. So I have to do an alternative and I think I'm literally gonna die, but I think I'm going to run
up the stairs
and like go on up like a bleacher set, and I might record it because I know this is gonna be a super intense video, and I think I'm gonna do like 10 times, or I'm gonna do like 5 and then I'm gonna take a break or something, and I'm gonna do the other 5, and I think I'm gonna do some jumping air squats because I really have been trying to work on my butt and it needs to come along somehow. So I think I'm gonna be waiting for my friend Maddie. I don't know what she's doing, but she wants to run, and I told her, you go to a stadium, there's bleachers and there's a track, so you can do like either or and both be there together. I hate doing that kind of stuff alone because I don't want a whole team to like show up on the field and practice and then they're like, oh, there's like one girl over there, like she has to leave or something. I'd rather be with like somebody else. I don't know, I'm just weird like that. But I don't really know exactly what's going on because I'm waiting for her to text me back, and it's already like 11 o'clock, so it's super hot outside today. It's like 91. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna like literally die. I should get some cold water. And if I don't end up going on the bleachers, I'm probably just gonna take a walk around downtown because I want to be active somehow. And like I said, I'm not going to yoga, so I just need to like do something to just let my energy go and just, you know, fire it up, because I literally had coffee this morning and I have energy, and usually I take this time to go to yoga, but I'm not going to yoga, so we'll see what happens. Stay tuned.
Buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze. Cause we're buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving all day. Yeah, feels good when I'm near you. I got the whole world. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing works, you feel surrounded. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded. Keep good things inside your ears just like the waves and sound it. And just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood.
Okay, well, I didn't record everything that I did, so you guys got like the gist of it, like the little bit. I'm like sweating so bad, but it's like super hot out here. Literally, it's like 12 o'clock now and it's just really hot. I can't deal with this. And I finally have like a new place to set up my camera, which is right here. You guys can see everything that I'm doing. So we're gonna go to the post office because I have some stuff to drop off from Peshmerg. And then, oh, I think I'm gonna go get my oil change today, like I mentioned earlier, just because it's not like good, I feel like, to ride around with like only 15% oil. So like, yeah, that's weird. And technically, I don't know if I'm allowed to be recording while I drive. But once we get out of like this little area, then I'll put you guys like away. But it's such a good spot. I mean, it might move a little bit. You guys are a little shaky, but I can't believe I just did that. I literally never work out outside because I hate doing it. Because I'm like, it's not in my comfort zone. It's out of my comfort zone. I want to show you guys all these boats. They're so nice. You might be able to see them. No, you won't. They're to the right of me, to your left, so you can't see them. I lived before all of this, like off the highway of all the nice boats and water and stuff. And some people are having boat days today. It's a good day. It's definitely super hot out. I mean, I feel like I could vlog, but like, you guys don't want to see me getting my oil changed or freaking, what's it called, going to the post office. It's stupid. We'll see. Maybe I'll combine you with another work video.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.